Hey guys, it's Bluebird here. I am the best class to vote for the KCAs this year. So let's get this over with. Favorite funny TV show. Let's go with Modern Family. Favorite TV drama. Stranger Things. Favorite reality show. Dancing with the Stars Jr. The How Do You Want to Help Award. How about helping animals? Favorite TV host. Liza Koshy and Mark Summers. Favorite TV judges. The judges from Dancing with the Stars. Favorite cartoon. Rise of the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Favorite male TV star. Neil Patrick Harris. Favorite female star. Zendaya. Favorite video game. Super Smash Bros. Ultimate. Favorite movie. Avengers 3 Infinity War. Favorite movie actress. Just kidding. Favorite movie actor. Dwayne The Rock Johnson.
I bitch about my life in this room class, but after visiting that prison,
Favorite movie actress. Zoe Saldana.
It's funny, getting into law school has been such a pain in the ass.
Favorite superhero. Robert Downey Jr. Favorite butt kicker.
Who knows?
Dwayne The Rock Johnson. Favorite animated movie. Minecraft 2 Round Quakes the Internet. Favorite male voice from an animated movie.
Hi, I'm her daughter, Christy.
Benedict Cumberbatch. Favorite female voice from an animated movie. Haley Steinfeld.
I went to the prison officials and explained your attack on me was totally justified.
Favorite music group. Maroon 5. Just because they performed at the Super Bowl this year.
The reason I brought my daughter is she's a lawyer.
Favorite male artist. Bruno Mars.
Oh, that's great, because I totally didn't mean to kill those people and eat them.
Favorite female artist.
That's my luck. It was cops eat free now.
Taylor Swift.
32 people.
Favorite song.
Okay, well, did any of them get
Young Bloodback, Have Seconds of Summer. Favorite breakout artist. Dean and Shay. Favorite collaboration.
Listen, I know you hate my mom,
Girls Like You.
and you have every right to, but you should know she genuinely feels terrible. Now,
Favorite global music star.
well, she's a better person. She's a person.
Taylor Swift. Favorite social music star. Jack and Jack. Favorite social star. Lily Sign. And favorite gamer. Ninja. His nana says 101 ways to get slime.
Me too. For sure, I've seen that car. Recognize that guy? Does anyone have more?
We'll see you for the kisses here. Bye bye.